Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about lately, and that's whether or not NBKC has Zelle. Now, before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about what Zelle is. Zelle is a free peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly to and from friends, family, and businesses. It's a great way to pay for things like dinner, rent, or even just to split the cost of a gift. So, does NBKC have Zelle? The answer is yes and no. NBKC doesn't have its own Zelle app, but you can still use Zelle to send and receive money from your NBKC account. Here's how. Download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a Zelle account using your email address and mobile phone number. Link your NBKC bank account to your Zelle account. Once you've done these steps, you'll be able to use Zelle to send and receive money from your NBKC account. So, what are the benefits of using Zelle with NBKC? Well, for starters, it's a fast and easy way to send and receive money. Transactions typically go through within minutes, so you don't have to wait around for your money to arrive. Additionally, Zelle is a secure way to send money. Your transactions are protected by a number of security measures, so you can rest assured that your money is safe. Of course, there are also some downsides to using Zelle with NBKC. One downside is that you can't use the Zelle app to manage your NBKC account. Instead, you'll need to log into your online banking account to do that. Additionally, Zelle has a daily and weekly send limit of $500. This can be inconvenient if you need to send or receive large amounts of money. Overall, I think that Zelle is a great way to send and receive money from your NBKC account. It's fast, easy, and secure. However, it's important to be aware of the limitations of using Zelle with NBKC before you start using it. So, there you have it. That's everything you need to know about whether or not NBKC has Zelle. I hope this information has been helpful. In addition to the information above, I would also like to add that NBKC is not the only bank that offers Zelle. There are a number of other banks that also support Zelle, so you may want to consider using one of those banks if you're looking for a bank that offers more Zelle features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.